This is the night school class. Yeah.
Ew.
Wow.
Stephanie.
I miss.
This is Stephanie. Introduce yourself.
He said Miss Promiscuous.
That's Miss Davis.
My kid said this, so like.
No, I was trying to say.
Exactly. You see that there are no students.
Promiscuous.
Yeah.
Promiscuous.
How many students do you have?
Exactly.
How many kids are there? 8, 7?
There's 7. Oh yeah, 8.
Gracias.
And there's Darian. Darian. Of course it would be Darian. And this is Patrick with the weird hairdo. He's a cool dude. He's highly medicated. Not right now. And of course you know me.